feel like in order for me to start designing a space, the bed has to be made. I cannot work around mess. So let me put on these pillows and then we can talk through my idea for this space. Since the bed is made, just like that, right? I'm going to take back the other nightstand that's in Jackson's room over there and bring it back right here, just to have the pairing, and then just get, as mentioned before, new nightstand for Jackson's room, and then try and source some things for the wall. But this is not priority. I just take it for granted that I have more space than what I normally would have. Is that the best way? I don't take it for granted that space is not something that I'm concerned about, right? But also I feel like when you have too much of something, at times it can be taken for granted, and I don't want to be. I never want to be in that space because I know what it was like not to have enough space to live, or just to live your best life, right? So while I have these rooms that's not really being used, I just want to make sure they're well maintained. So having the bed in this room and trying to get it fully set up and stuff like it's not a priority. It's just something that I want to do to make sure my house feel well balanced and to feel functional, right? As I mentioned before, sometimes I just feel like sleeping by myself. JB does, whatever the case is. So I just want to make sure I don't have clutter and my home is not chaotic. And I don't want to have a dumping ground to say, because I have this, I'm going to throw stuff in there. I know stuff happen, life happen where sometimes you get in that phase where I don't feel like doing it today. Guilty. I do that sometimes. But I always want to make sure each space in my home is well defined and organized and clean. That's just the way I want to live, you know. So it's not a priority to get this room done, but for sure it's a priority to make sure these beds are made and well kept. So I'm probably gonna go outside and start doing a little bit of work. It's still cold. Today's like 34 degrees outside. Ridiculous. Yeah. Y'all, I swear this weather is crazy. This morning, when I take Jack to school, it was like 30 something. Now it's 60 something. So I'm gonna show you outside what I want to do. Right, so it's a little bit chilly though, but still, I'm gonna show you anyway. Right? Not gonna open up all the way. But really and truly, what I want to do out here is, okay, I'm gonna close the screen door because I don't want no bugs to go inside. So hold on. Okay, so I need to get, you see that way? Okay, so I want to get like a new rug to come over here to kind of create like a little seating area. These things has been covered up from last winter, from last year until now. I don't like bugs, I don't like frogs, so I'm gonna be very careful moving things around. So honestly, I would take the covers off, but JB's not here, so just in case I do see something, I cannot deal with it. But just picture it, okay? So You know what? I'm gonna take it. I want to show you. So you remember downstairs I have the circle table, right? This is where it came from. So I'm going to get the rug. I'm going to bring my table up here. We have the umbrella. So this is done, and I'll probably get new cushions. And then over here, and I'm going to have the deck power wash because you can see, like, you know, like pollen and those things on it. So I'm going to get some bar stool to complete this area right here. This is going to go in the trash. And I have two pots. I have this one, and I have one down there, that white one, to buy plants and put in. And I think I would like to put them like right here. So let me show you. Hold on. Like I'll put them maybe at an angle or something to kind of bring some separation from over here to right here. Maybe something like this. Maybe can I do like a group in a 3 and then do that. Whew, I'm winded. These right here with plants right here, right? Then I'll probably take this to the dumpster today. Never come on down here. So this is our fire pit area, and I'm going to have it power wash and kind of repaint. Power wash and repaint, right? Then we're going to plant some flowers in here to make this pretty. And then I want to get like a bucket, not a bucket, the thing that you can store your water hoses, like those big brown bins, and put a water hose in. Yeah, and this is a part of our backyard. It's not enclosed. Then this tree right here is dead, so we're gonna take it out and just remulch it and possibly plant some new flowers in that pot right here, and maybe put it on the ground somewhere so it can look nice. You know what I mean? Okay, that's the plan for this outdoor space. Let's go to the front. So now we're gonna go to the front. Please ignore this car right here. So I still had my Christmas wreath up, so down that goes. And I used these last year, and I'm going to reuse them back again this year. Okay, right, so I'm just gonna fluff it out and make it do what it do. And I bought these from, I think it was Home Sense. I bought these from last year. So again, I'm just gonna fluff them out, and then it's done. I haven't thought about putting like some kind of ribbon on it, but not sure. Okay. And just like that, my door is ready for spring. I like when it's full long. Let's see. This is good. On this side, had these balls. So my plan is to, of course, sweep this all off. I do have my pillows already, so I'm gonna put them back out here. I'm gonna get a new rug. I'm gonna pick this up and sweep it off, and then I'm gonna hang some plants from on these two hooks right here, and then that's it. So we'll have either, so we'll probably do either some either do some flowers or greenery. But look at the door. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that pretty? And with that rug, I would like to get like something with black right here to kind of balance off the door. So maybe like a layered rug look. So I might see what I can find at Target, but I do love that. Then this right here is for the professional, right? So remember that a few weeks or so we're gonna have our landscaper come and trim this thing, remulch, turn on back the sprinkler, and then have what's it called, True Green come out and start treating our grass and stuff again for the season. But yeah, normally I would repaint the outskirt of the house, but we did that last year and it's not bad. So I'm going to do just wipe it down, because it's literally, see, that's not bad. I can just wipe that off and be done with it. Yeah, I'm just wipe it off and just be done. This is the only thing I don't like about it though. Like from the inside looking out, we're seeing the ugly part of the reed. And I even thought about putting like reeds on the inside, but I don't think so. It's just what it is. You know? It's what it is. So if you guys have a suggestion or something, let me know. Because it would be nice to look at something pretty instead of the back of the reed like that, you know? So let me know.